These baby birds just flew out, landed on my back. Oh! Don't move, don't move, don't move.
It's on my head.
It's not gonna hurt you.
I know, but I don't like it.
It's not gonna hurt you.
It tickles. I can feel its every movement. Get it off. Get it off. What if it...
Don't touch it, Bubby.
Get it off of me. Is it off of me? Hi.
Smile at me. We aren't supposed to mess with these. But they shouldn't have flown and landed on us. Okay, lay him on that box so he'll fly away to his mommy.
Where is his mommy?
She's standing by watching.
Where's
Guaranteed,
she?
she's close enough. Just lay him on the box.
She won't get off. Come here. She's like, no.
If we didn't have a million pets.
Can we keep it?
No, no, no.
Please.
No. I hear him cheeping all over. I hear him up in the bushes already.
Please.
That's what I get for even just walking by. They all just flew out.
Can we keep it?
No, baby.
But
All right, let it go. Let it go so its mommy can take care of it.
But it likes us.
Yeah, I know. I'm sure it loves you. Move.
Don't get right up in its face.
It's alright. He doesn't know.
I feel like it's still in my head. I want to make like little bird doors.
All right, let's step back and let him go. Hey, see if you can find a worm or something under the rocks.
But I want to keep it.